Welcome to part 9, adding maps to the dashboard. So we're going to add our maps to the bottom right of the dashboard, but the first thing we need to do is recreate them using Plotly. So this is the same code that we used in the Plotly visualizations chapter to create our maps of the world and USA. So you can review that to check out the code again. So there's two functions, one to create that hover text, which has all this information about each area, and then to actually create the map itself. Okay, so let's execute this code, and then let's create a single map. So we're going to create of the USA in deaths per million. So there's just two types of maps. You can either do world or USA, and we're just going to do the USA map here, and we're going to color it by deaths per million. This will create a Plotly figure. So we need to remember that this is a Plotly figure. We cannot add it directly to our dashboard. So here's the deaths per million of the USA. Now let's go ahead and add this to our dashboard. So again, we have to place it inside of a graph component. And here we'll just, we'll assign it to this maps area of our grid. And then everything else will be the same. So now our div consists of the table tabs on the left, the graph tabs in the upper right, and now this map graph in the bottom right. We did have to add these grid template rows to specify the height of the rows. So we specified the width of the columns before. This is just adding one more layer here to specify the height of the rows. So there'll be the 50% of the viewport height and 40% of the viewport height. So we execute, and here is our up-to-date dashboard. So we just basically put the map down here below. That's how we add our map to the dashboard.